Congress MP Rahul Gandhi on Thursday renewed his attack on Junior Home Minister Ajay Mishra over his son Ashish Mishra being accused in the Lakhimpur Kheri farmers killing case, calling him a criminal and demanding that he either be sacked or resign. The minister must resign. He is a criminal, Mr. Gandhi said in the Lok Sabha. We should be allowed to speak about the murder that was committed in Lakhimpur Kheri, where there was an involvement of the minister and about which it has been said that it was a conspiracy, he was quoted as saying inside the parliament by news agency ANI. Several opposition MPs have served adjournment notices in both houses calling for debates on the investigating police team's planned conspiracy remark. The protest, which included placards reading Justice for Lakhimpur Victims and Sack MOS Home, caused both houses to be adjourned till 2 p.m. Moving on to the next news. Jailed former media executive Indrani Mukherjee, accused of killing her daughter Sheena Bora in 2012, has returned to the CBI claiming that she is alive and has asked for an investigation, adding a new twist to the sensational case. Indrani Mukherjee claims she met a woman prisoner who told her she had met Sheena Bora in Kashmir, according to the letter sent directly to the CBI. She wrote to the CBI, "We have no details of what she wrote," said her lawyer Sana Khan. Indrani Mukherjee, 49, has been in prison in Mumbai since 2015. She was arrested for the murder of 25-year-old Sheena Bora, her daughter from her first marriage. Moving on to the next news. Army Chief General M.M. Naravne has assumed the charge as the chairman of the Chiefs of Staff Committee that comprises of 3 service chiefs, people familiar with the development said on Wednesday. The post fell vacant following the death of Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat in the IAF helicopter crash on December 8. General Naravne has been given the charge as the chairman of the committee as he is the senior most among the 3 service chiefs, the people cited above said. Moving on to the next news. The proposal to raise the minimum age of marriage for women from 18 to 21 was cleared by the Union Cabinet on Wednesday, sources said, a year after Prime Minister Narendra Modi said that the plan is under review. Prime Minister Modi, during his Independence Day speech last year, had made a mention of the proposal. This government is constantly concerned about the health of daughters and sisters. To save the daughters from malnutrition, it is necessary that they are married at the right age, the Prime Minister had said. Moving on to the next news. Social media platform Reddit said on Wednesday it had confidentially filed for a proposed initial offering IPO with the US Securities and Exchange Commission. Reddit, known for its message boards that became the go-to destination for day traders during this year's meme stock frenzy, was looking at a valuation of more than $15 billion, Reuters had reported in September. The company was valued at $10 billion in a private fundraising round earlier this year.